Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background to your Weebly website. This is a fantastic way to make your site more dynamic and visually engaging, instantly capturing your visitors' attention with motion and life. First, open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now, take a look at the left menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal additional options beneath it, and from there you need to click on Edit Site. This is where you'll access the editor for your website. Next, you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This action will take you directly into the editor page of your chosen website, where all the customization magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, it's time to locate the section where you want to add your video background. Scroll through your page and find the specific background area you'd like to change. Once you've identified it, click directly on that background section. This will bring up additional options for customization. After clicking the background, you'll see an option that says Edit Background. Click on that. A pop-up menu will appear with various customization options for your background. At the top of this menu, you'll notice a tab labeled Image. Click on that tab, and from the drop-down options that appear, choose Video. This switches the background type from a static image to a video format. Once you've selected video, you'll see a button that says Add Video. Click on it to proceed. Here's something important to note. Adding a video background requires you to upgrade your plan to access this feature. Weebly restricts video backgrounds to premium plans, so you'll need to ensure your subscription supports this functionality. If you decide to move forward, you'll be presented with two options. You can either choose from a selection of preloaded videos that Weebly provides, or you can upload your own custom video to use as your background. If you prefer to use your own video, simply click on Uploads. This will allow you to select a video file from your computer to upload directly to your website. Once you've made your selection or uploaded your video, click Save. This finalizes your changes and applies the video background to your website. Your site will now feature a dynamic video background that enhances the overall visual appeal and user experience. And that's it. You've successfully added a video background to your Weebly website, transforming it into a more engaging and modern platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.